Thick plates, large structures, high temperatures, and work that goes far beyond a single shift. In this kind of environment, cutting has to be consistent, accurate, and reliable with no room for downtime. This is the everyday reality of steelmaking and metal processing, shipbuilding, energy, infrastructure, and mining. Zircon Extreme was created for exactly these applications, a CNC machine for plasma and oxy-fuel cutting, designed for 24/7 operation and for processing very thick materials. In conditions like these, what matters is not only the cutting technology itself, but also how the machine maintains process stability and protects its key components during intensive, high-load operation. That is why it includes protective covers for the mechanical systems, thermal shielding, active cooling, a positioning camera, a plate temperature sensor, and a heavy-duty design built for demanding industrial conditions. These are the solutions that make Zircon Extreme a reliable choice wherever production cannot afford to slow down. See more at eckerdcutting.com.